or for your country, you're in the backyard just helping out. Let me show you what I'm most concerned about today, because unfortunately there is a growing concern for flash flooding. Look at these showers lining up from Burnett all the way down through Fredericksburg, and they're packing quite a bit of rain with them. We don't have anything in the Austin metro and nothing in our eastern counties, so let's focus on where it is raining in and around the Burnett area. And then this line, there's some sort of leftover boundary here that these showers and storms are forming on that goes south of Buchanan, south of Llano, all the way into Gillespie County. There's some pockets of lightning. There's some heavier rain here as well. Gillespie County, you can see some of those showers and storms going over that Gillespie County line, impacting parts of Harper. I was just looking earlier this morning around 1 a.m. We had a storm over Fredericksburg, dropped 1 inch of rain, just like that. I mean, this is on top of the several inches of rain we've seen over the last week. Biggest concern in the region right now is the heavy rain falling out towards Currie County, Uvalde County, Real County, Bandera County. I mean, we've got flash flood warnings up in areas that have been hit so hard over the last 2 weeks that all of this is probably going to be becoming runoff here if it hasn't already. Now, the Guadalupe River is here, so we're going to have to watch it because some of this is going to be funneling into the Guadalupe River. And again, yesterday, unfortunately, because of that flood threat, they actually had to suspend the search and rescue efforts because it was too dangerous to have those first responders out there. So we'll see. I think search and recovery could unfortunately be impacted yet again with the forecast today. Looking at the flood warnings here at home, San Saba River, Lampasas River, Llano River, avoid them. We have at least action stage at Lampasas, if not major flooding expected along San Saba River at San Saba, and then the moderate flooding expected, which is already ongoing, by the way, that moderate flooding in the Llano River with flood stage at 10 feet. At last check, it was about 14, 15 feet. And with more rain in the area, it's likely to continue to rise. The day planner shows that rain chance holding at about 30 to 40% through the day. Highs will be in the 90s. The flood risk is greater today than when we last saw you yesterday. They've changed this. They've put us now in the slight category for the Hill Country and the Austin Metro. The flood watch has been extended too. This is also a new update. This goes until 9 p.m. tonight for the threat of 1 to 3 inches of additional rain. This is on top of everything we've picked up over the last week and a half, and then isolated pockets of 3 to 5 inches, which absolutely would cause trouble no matter where that falls in the Hill Country or the Austin Metro. We are saturated. We are done. There's so much water in the ground. There's not a whole lot for this water as far as places for it to go before it goes off into the streams and the rivers. And that's where you see some of those very quick rises and falling of some of the big time rivers we've got here in central Texas. So isolated to widely scattered storms and showers favoring the Hill Country. A little bit more space in between as you get further to the east, but some storms and showers potentially impacting your evening commute before we lose sunshine, and the daytime heating is actually going to help those storms and showers, which is why I think as we get towards sunset and beyond, rain chances come down. Leftover moisture tomorrow gives us a few isolated showers. Outside of today and tomorrow, much drier skies, sunshine, and hotter temperatures to come. But make sure you're staying up to date with us today. We'll probably have to fire off a few more flood alerts with today's growing risk of heavy rain. Erica?